Good morning, everybody. I am Santia Bunga. I am a vocational teacher in culinary arts at SMK Negeri 1 Tenggarong, Kutai Kartanegara District, at Borneo. This moment, I want to present my worksheet 3 about handle gas complaint or conflict by me, Santia Bunga. On this slide, about handle gas complaint or conflict, number 1 is identify gas complaint. There are two columns in the table. The left column contains type of complaint, and the right column is example of complaint. Type of complaint consists of food quality, service, and cleanliness. To food quality, example of complaints, the first, food ingredients there are not fresh. The second, food taste too salty. The third, the texture of the cooked food is too soft or hard. Next, service. Example of complaint, the food and drink order served is wrong. The second, the waiter was unfriendly and rude. The third, a restaurant room that is always noisy during the day. And the fourth, the waiter was too quick to remove plates that had not been used. The cleanliness. Example of complaint, there are no hand washing facility available in dining room area. Second, lack of overall restaurant clean lines, there may be reducing guest comfort. And the third, cutlery that is still wet and dirty. Then, the next slide, still about identify guest complaint. A type of complaint column consists of 3 parts in the table. Is price, atmosphere, and food safety. To price, example of complaint. The first, in the menu book, there are no price for each menu item being sold. The second, the price of food that is too high does not match the quantity, appearance, and taste of the food that is served. The third, discount that apply to certain menu items are not given. Atmosphere. Example of complaint. The atmosphere of the dining room is too noisy. The temperature of the dining room restaurant is too hot or too cold. And the third, dining room lighting that is too bright or too dark. Food safety. The food served into burnt or raw. The second, the food served contain foreign objects, hair, and odors. And the third, the food served is stale. The latter slide about identify guest complaint. There is two types of complaint is time and communication. To time, example per complaint. The first, waiting time for serving food is too long. The second, time to enjoy a short meal. And the third, waiting too long for your turn for a reservation at a restaurant. To communication, example of complaint. The first, reservation not listed after booking. The second, the restaurant is less responsive to customer complaint. And the third, the volume and tone of waiter's voice is loud and racist. On this slide, the second handle guest complaint is complaint handling solution. The first complaint case, the waiter served food that used insufficient, not fresh ingredients. At completion step contains 5 steps, consists of initial response, complaint verification, explanation and solution, compensation, and follow-up. To initial response, complaint step is respond quickly to complaint by apologize for the inconvenience experienced by customer. At complaint verification, check customer complaint by confirming with the chef of staff who prepare the order. At explanation and solution, providing explanation to customer about the reason why food is not fresh and offering solutions such as replace it with new food. To compensation, offer compensation in the form of discount or free drinks as a form to apologize for the inconvenience experienced by customer. To follow up, complaint step is follow up with customer after the problem is resolved to ensure their satisfaction. On this slide, still about complaint handling solution. The second complaint case, the waiter served the food order contained foreign objects such as hair and odors. The fourth completion step is initial response. Respond quickly to complaint by apologize for the inconvenience experienced by customer. The second confession step is complaint verification. Check customer complaint by confirming with the chef or staff who prepared the order. The third completion step is explanation and solution. Provide an explanation to customer about the reason why the food was exposed to foreign matter and offer solutions such as replacing it with new food. Next, compensation. Offer compensation in the form of discount or free drinks as a form of apology for the inconvenience experienced by customer. The last complaint step is follow up. Follow up with customer after the problem is resolved to ensure their satisfaction. Finally, slide number 3 from handle guest complaint or conflict is the impact of complaint. The impact of complaint consists of 6 parts. The first part is A. Lost trust from customer. Customer lost trust in the seller, the product being sold, and the company or corporation. B. Negative campaign. Customer will share their disappointment with others customer. C. Lost opportunity to recruit new customer. The seller or corporation will lose the opportunity to get sales from new customer. D. High cost and huge effort. The cost of dealing with customers who are disappointed due to inappropriate handling is 4 times the cost of recruit new customer. I. Confirm the current negative perception. Fail to overcome objection further confirms the customer perception of their complaint regarding the product or service being sold. F. Damaging reputation and image. The most serious thing is that the company image can be completely and eroded, resulting in the destruction of the brand image of the product or service being sold. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope we are in good health. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.